Dear students, welcome back to the session of SST. In the previous session, we started with a new chapter called Weather and Climate. Today, we are going to continue with the same chapter. But before that, let us recall what we learned in the previous session. We learned what is weather. What is weather? Weather is defined as the condition of the atmosphere of a given place at a given time. There are various factors that affect the weather condition of a place. Sunrise and sunset, the temperature, air pressure, humidity, etc. are certain factors that affects the weather condition of a place. Then we moved on to learn what is climate. Climate may be defined as an average of weather condition of a place or an area. Climate generally does not change for 30 years or 40 years. Today in this session we are going to learn about the factors that affects the climate of a place. The factors that affects the climate of a place are distance from the equator, that is latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, direction of wind, humidity and ocean currents. Students, are you ready to learn each factors one by one? The first factor that affects the climate of a place is distance from the equator. That is, we need to know where exactly the place is located on the earth. If the place is located near to the equator, the rays of the sun falls in this place directly and spreads over a less area. So, the places near the equator or above the equator and below the equator will experience more heat. The places which are located near to the poles will receive less heat and the rays of the sun's rays are spread over a large area. So these places are very cold. So latitude or the distance from the equator also affects the climate of a place. The next factor that we are going to see is altitude or elevation. We need to know whether the places are located at a higher altitude or near to the sea level. Hill stations have cold climate due to the height above the sea level, which is called an altitude. The temperature decreases with the increase in height. The higher the elevation, the colder the temperature. Example, when you climb a mountain, the temperature gets colder at the top, while at the bottom of the mountain it is warmer. That is why two places which are located in the same state like Dehradun Valley and Mussoorie Hill has a difference in temperature. Mussoorie has a cold climate when compared to Dehradun Valley. The next factor that affects the climate of a place is distance from the sea. We need to know whether the places are located near the sea or far away from the sea. The places which are located near the sea have moderate climate. This is because of the breeze that flows in this place. During the daytime, you have sea breeze and during the night time, you have land breeze. What is sea breeze? During the daytime, the sun heats the land and sea. Land gets heated up more quickly than the sea. So air above the land rises up. Cool air from the sea moves towards the land and this is called as sea breeze. During the night time, the land gets cooler faster than the sea. So air above the sea is warmer and it starts rising up. Cool air from the land moves towards the sea. So this is called as land breeze. So because of the sea breeze and land breeze, the temperature in the coastal areas is getting regulated. So this makes the climate of the place in coastal areas moderate. The next factor that we are going to see is the direction of wind. Wind affects the climate of a place. Winds coming from hot areas increases the temperature and winds coming from cold region will lower the temperature of a place. Mawsynram in Meghalaya gets heaviest rainfall in the world. So the winds may brings in moisture and they are called as rain-bearing winds. The winds coming from Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal bring rain to the entire country of India. Next, humidity. Humidity also plays an important part in affecting the climate of a place. Humidity means the amount of moisture present in the atmosphere. The winds blowing over the sea brings lot of moisture and make the climate of the coastal areas very humid. Major cities having this climate in India are Goa, Mumbai, Visakhapatnam, Kolkata, Chennai, etc. So these places will have warm and humid climate. The next factor is ocean current. What is ocean current? An ocean current is the large volume of water flowing through the ocean. There are two types of currents, surface currents and deep currents. How does the ocean current affect the place? Warm ocean currents warms the land they pass, while cold ocean currents cool the land they pass. Example, Gulf of Mexico warms the coast of Gulf of Mexico. The Bering Sea cools the coast of Alaska. We have come to the end of the session. Hope you have understood the factors that affect the climate of a place. We will continue with this chapter in the next session. Until then, bye for now.